Whoa! Did you hear that? There it is again! Do you know what animal that is? I'll give you a hint. It starts with this letter, the letter E. Now let's trace it together. Start at the top, go straight down. Now make a line across the top and another line across the bottom. Then a little line across the middle. Great job! Elephant. Elephant. Did you know elephants are the largest land animals on Earth? Some elephants can weigh as much as a school bus. Elephants have long trunks that they use like a hand. They can pick up tiny objects, drink water, and even give themselves a shower with their trunks. Elephants are very intelligent animals. They can solve problems, use tools, and have great memories. They can remember places and faces for many years. You did an amazing job guessing the animals by their sounds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Color Fun Factory for more fun adventures. See you next time.